So now we are discussing about exception aggregation. This is very important. So if you are attending the interview, at least for 10 interviews, they will ask you 5 interviews. Definitely they will ask about exception aggregation. So basically we will create exception aggregation option. It is available in the Bex query level. So when you want to see the number of records count in the report level, then we will use exception aggregation. Not only that, we having multiple options like first value, last value, minimum, max value. So average, counter. So like this, we have multiple options under the exception aggregation. But mostly we will use counter for the record only. We will use mostly to entire my career. I didn't use other options. So once you open the Bex query, you know right how to open the Bex query. Go to here and Business Explorer, click on Query Designer. And once you create, and then you need to create the Bex query. And I know the my info cube name. So on top of this, I'm going to create one Bex query. So this is a query. Double click it. So now go to rows columns. Now I will drag and drop amount to the columns. Now I will drag and drop sales order number. So now I want to know record count in the report level. So now you just go on BW and execute the back query. Logging and go to the query properties. This is the option like no query properties. This is the option like save. This is save as. Okay, save as. And also, if you want to open existing Bex query, you can go to the open query. If you want to create new query, then go to this option. Okay, this is check option. Okay. In the earlier, we are executing Bex query, it is open in the portal. Okay, so if you want to cut, then you have to use it. And then if you want to create rows, see rows properties and all. So this is exceptions, conditions, and sales. You can see all these options. You can would be there. Okay, and this is where is the list and all. You can see. This is the query. This is the column properties. When you select amount, there we can see multiple options like no here. These are all properties. This is like row property. These are all row. Whatever we drag and drop rows, that is having properties here. Go to here. Slowly, you need to understand you are the responsible as a developer for everything. So now I am executing this Bex query and I want to know the count. How many records are there in the real time? So they want to know it. How many sales orders happened per today? So like this, they will compare based on the sales order as well. So now total we having like no almost 21 would be there. But I wanted to know based on the record count. Okay. So as of now it is showing. You can assume like this is order numbers, sales order numbers. So how many orders happened? How many orders happened for yesterday? So like this they want to know the count. So then if you want to create a exception aggregation, right click on the key figures, go to the new selection, not new selection, new formula. Go to new formula and here double click on the formula, go to the counter. Go to the counter. So now we need to keep it like one number and go to the aggregation. Go to the aggregation property. So here we having exception aggregation. So by default, we don't have any reference characteristic and all you can see. So when you select reference characteristic, When you select exception aggregation, we'll get multiple reference characteristics. Example, see, you can see how many are there, summation, maximum, minimum. In interval also, you can tell we have multiple options under the exception aggregation, summation, maximum, minimum, okay, average. So, but we don't get requirement to use this option. Okay, first value, last value, standard deviation, all these options are there. You can check it, okay? So as of now, I'm selecting this option and the reference characteristic, we can use maximum 5 and minimum is 1. Okay, now I'm selecting based on the sales stock number. So whatever I want to know, then we have to use. If you are using material based on the material count, then you have to use material. So now I'm using document number. That is why I'm selecting document number. Don't tell another one. Okay. Now I'm save it and see it. Just save and go back and execute. See, now we can see number of count. Okay, number of count would. If you want to change this document number also, it is possible. How you will change it? See here, select this rows and go to here. See, when I do any changes, it will go automatically. This, see here, automatically gone. So I'm giving just orders, okay, and save it. Now you can see how many orders happened for today. Based on the counter, you will get now. Oh, these many happened. 21 orders are happened today. See here, orders. However you want, you can do it, okay? This is how we'll build the exception aggregation. You need to tell in the interview also. Okay, if they asking like no orders exception aggregation, so we want to know the number of records count in the report level. At that time, we have created exception aggregation and right click on the key figures and click create a new formula. In the new formula editor, we given one and go to the aggregation tab and we selected counter for all detailed values and selected reference characteristic my orders and click on save and then when I execute the back query I can able to see the number of records count in the report level. Like this you need to explain, okay? And also like no, if you want to do any changes like no, so now amount is coming, okay? If you want to go general tab, so if you go to general tab, so nothing will be there. If you want to change, example counter is there, counter, okay, amount is there, orders, example orders. When I select use standard, see use standard means what? When I select automatically it will come from the database. When you select this one, it will whatever we have original name it will come. When I remove this one, then nothing. It will not come from database. Understood? Use standard means it is coming from the database level. Original name will come. This is technical name and go to display. So display as a see key. So here how do you want to display the data based on the keys or text like this? Okay, do you want to sort? By default it is in the ascending order. Okay, do you want based on the document number? Then you can sort it. Okay, sort by what? Key. Okay, then fine. Sort direction. Ascending or descending. Okay, ascending. Okay, then save it. Then it is showing, see here. See SO1, SO10, 11, 12. See, this order will change automatically. Okay, it was not changed it. So let me see why it is not changed. Based on the keys only, right? Okay, let me check descending order. Document number only, right? Hmm. Let's see. Sure. Yeah, it is changed. It is descending order. So the system is treating like no 9, 8 sequence. This is the big number. So this is two numbers. So it is checking like no first two letters, the three letters only it is checking, not four letters it is checking. Okay. So that is why it is working. Okay.